Amethyst, which one do I need the most? The one in the middle? Which one did you pick? Show the internet. The one in the middle. She booped it with her nose. She picked the 10 of Swords. We'll do one more. Which one? The one on the left? She's sitting on them. You sitting on them. You have the one on the left under your foot. Which one was it? Touch it. Show the internet. Show the internet you know how to talk mentally. There you go. It was that one. So that was the Tower and the 10 of Swords. So that tells me that I need to do some intercession and protect myself from some from negative energy.